Hello friends, today's topic 4 risks that can trigger a market correction. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. After the heavy fall for Nifty on 4th June, vote counting day, the Indian markets have recovered very well. From the lowest point of the markets on 4th June, Nifty is up around 7.5%. The sharp recovery from the lows has made analysts cautious, especially at Kotak institutional equities, who see potential risk in the market at the current level. As per Kotak institutional equities, the current market sentiment is largely driven by irrational exuberance among non-institutional. The high valuations across sectors in general largely reflects the extremely bullish sentiment. As per the research, big market corrections happen as a result of A. Macroeconomic challenges or weakness, B. Political and social instability, C. Natural or man-made disasters such as pandemic, earthquakes, wars, etc. D. Too much debt with banks, companies, government or households. According to Kotak Institutional Equities, the following are 4 risk factors that can trigger a market correction. 1. Government policies. Any major change in government policies or change in focus areas can trigger a market correction. The market could be at some risk from any change in government taxation policies on stock markets, such as higher capital gains tax on stocks. The government shift focus on sectors which it was previously promoting will impact large number of stocks. However, as of now, it looks like the central government will broadly continue with its economic policies and initiatives of the past 6 to 7 years. BJP's weaker than expected performance in recent Lok Sabha elections may increase the chances of them using some populist measures in some states which have elections coming up. 2. Higher regulations. Kotak Institutional Equities believes that SEBI may continue to monitor the risk arising from a sharp increase in stock price in mid and small cap stocks. Also, SEBI considering to take some steps to make it difficult for retail investors to trade in futures and options. Here is an announcement regarding our workshop on creating profits in stock markets. It is happening on 23rd June 2024, Sunday, 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m., 2 hours plus 30 minutes bonus content. Investment normally $299, but for the first 75 participants, it will be only $99 and the language of the workshop will be Kannada. The cost is only $99. According to us, there is hardly any risk in attending this workshop. What are you going to learn? 2 ways of creating profits in stock markets, long term, short term. How to select the right stock by doing fundamental analysis. Because your profit in the future is dependent on picking up the right kind of stocks. Quantitative fundamental analysis of stocks. 17 factors of fundamental analysis, magic of compounding, creating pension from stock markets, and technical analysis. What are the impact? Once you attend this workshop, you will be able to create wealth for your children, education, marriage and retirement in lakhs and crores, creating additional money in thousands to improve your lifestyle, and reaching your personal finance. After paying rupees 99 and you attend this workshop completely for 2.5 hours, you get videos worth rupees 3,196 entirely free and as per the attendance report of the software. What are the 4 videos you get free? ಷೇರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವ 5 ಮಹಾಮೋಸಗಳು, ಷೇರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಷ್ಟ 9 ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣಗಳು, 9 ಕುಂಟು ನೆಪಗಳು ಷೇರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ ಹೂಡದಿರಲು. ಈ 5 ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಜನರು ಷೇರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಹೂಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. For registering for the workshop, click on the link in the description box below. Limited seats. Hurry for registration. Call off is 99000000 if you don't understand how to register. Now, continuing the matter of the video, 3. PSU stocks at very high valuation. PSU stocks are extremely overvalued. Any large disinvestment in PSUs, especially those trading at high valuations, reveal their true value. Though the government has missed its disinvestment target since the past several years, Kotak Institutional Equities believes that the government may want to take advantage of the euphoria surrounding PSU stocks and raise money for the developmental activities. Fourth risk factor, below expectation quarterly earnings. The current multiplies of most consumption and investment stocks has factored in strong growth in revenues and higher profitability for an extended period of time. Suppose the quarterly results of some companies are below expectation, then there could be significant reduction in stock price. Short-term investors will be waiting for reasons to book profit and then reinvest later. The upcoming quarterly results for the April-June 2024 period will be important for markets. The results of various companies will start being announced in mid-July. Many companies which post better than expected results will get better valuations, whereas companies which disappoint will correct and the valuations will adjust downwards. End of the video. Here's the question. Which stock are you hoping for a correction so that you can invest more? Type the name of the company in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.